Man, look at these! Look at that! Jamaican cereal!
In your face! Beep, beep, beep.
Why people? Oh my God. Yes, man! It's all about cereal today. It's all about cereal. We thought we'd try to do something different, isn't it? I don't know. We're at Why So Cereal today. It is a cereal shop in Kent, Rochester / Chatham. They got bare exclusives here. They got Twinkies, they got Sour Patch, Reese's Puffs, bare all the American things. They got all different Pop-Tarts. You get me drinks. It's crazy. We're just gonna try some different cereal. We're gonna cook our own. No, we actually cook the cereal. Yeah. So you see me? So yeah, we're done. I'm gonna go back in the fridge because we need to get the milk and everything for the episode. So I'll be back in a little while. I'm just gonna pop in the fridge and see you on the other side. Alright? Yes. All right. Can I have the peanut butter crunch? Can I get the Fruit Loops birthday cake? Can I get the Jolly Rancher cereal? Because that one there looks mad, people. And the Apple Jacks. Yeah. Thank you, my bro. Why, people? Look at my bowl. Look at my bowl of cereal. The milk comes in the little glass, little bottles. It's really cool, man. I like that, man. So yeah, this is my big bowl of cereal. Oh, it looks wicked, doesn't it? Man's got Jolly Rancher and Apple Jacks and birthday cake and all sorts. Go on, rest that down, my brother. Rest that down. Apple Jacks, they're banging, you know. They're banging. Let me try these Jolly Ranchers because these are a bit of a strange cereal. You get me? Jolly Rancher cereal. Let's try it. They're quite nice. I had some Sour Patch Kids cereal a little while ago, man. They were too much. They're like that. Let's go in for the birthday cake. Birthday cake Cheerios, I think it is. Yeah? Yeah. It's a good cereal. Girls, what's the milkshake saying? They're nice. Milkshakes are good. Cereal is good.
Milkshakes
Where's
are
my
no
Captain
good.
Crunch? Captain Crunch. I've got to say, the Apple Jacks are the best ones here. But these Jolly Rancher. Oh, excuse me, people. I'm sorry. Very professional. But you're done now. Yeah, man. So, like I said, it's all about cereal today. We're at Why So Cereal in Rochester. Now we're gonna go home. We're gonna make our own cereal. Yeah, you heard it right. We are gonna make our own cereal. We're gonna make Jamaican colour cereal. We're gonna call it Vibe cereal. A lot of thought process goes into these things, you know what I'm saying, people? But you don't know. There, man. Why So Cereal? I'm gonna get stuck into this big bowl of cereal, and we'll see you on the other side. Why not? Stand. Just stand back, everybody. Magic is about to happen. I think so, that's it. Alright, I'm ready. I'm doing well. It's a lot of cereal. Ready? Ready? I'm ready. Are you lot ready? That's the question. Because I'm always ready on Sunday. It's Cook and Vibe. Welcome back. Last week we didn't drop no episode because the music video, but you don't know this week we're back and it's all about cereal. Yeah? You don't know. We've seen the madness already. We got YSO Cereal. Rochester / Chatham, Kent. Make sure you go check it out. So now we're gonna make our own cereal. Because Cook and Vibe, you know anything, we have to do the cooking. This is a bare, simple recipe. If you get this wrong, you must be very stupid. And I got it wrong.
In your face!
You know what it is, people, yeah? The first batch that I done, too high in the oven.
Beep, beep, beep.
Right degrees in the oven. I will tell you so you don't mess up like I did. So first of all, people, cereal. We're gonna make our own cereal, yeah? Oats, honey, and unsalted butter. That's your ingredients for today. Yeah? Simple. 3 things. Okay? Now, prep time. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get 3 cups. No, we ain't. We're gonna chill right out, mate. What you wanna do first is you're gonna get your unsalted butter. Half a stick of unsalted butter in a bowl. Bosh. Now, you wanna use half a cup of runny honey. You don't want the runny one, so it just, now I'm a bad boy, so I know what half a cup is. Have a half a cup, C4. Trust me, bro. Look and learn, no measurements. It's Cook and Vibe. Yeah, so what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna put this in a microwave for a minute and a half, until the butter has melted and it's all look nice and is in me, so swim forward. Why am I? Yes, so that's how it should look, like that. You get me? The honey and the unsalted butter melted. So we're gonna do now 3 cups of oats. Yeah? 3 cups of oats inside the bowl. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Okay, know anything already. Oats. Yeah? What we're gonna do. Now, at this point, right? At this point, you've got options. Yeah? I chose a little bit of cinnamon, because cinnamon always works with cereal. So I'm dashing some cinnamon. Yeah? You can put anything you want in here, you know. You can put almonds, you can put nuts. Anything you want to put in there, that's entirely up to you. So we're just gonna add the mixture like that. Bosh. Anything. We're just gonna mix this round to coat all the oats in the honey and the butter. Make it right underneath there. Coat everything in there. Changing that. Make sure you get every last scrap. You done know. Listen, congratulations to Connect 4 Entertainment. I don't. Do you know what? It's sometimes people just, you know, people don't really. We talk so much and just so many things are going on and whatnot. But Connect 4 Entertainment, that is the other half of Cook and Vibe. Film, editing, all the long hard work that you guys get the episodes from. And he actually runs his own YouTube channel, Connect 4 Entertainment, called Smoke Sessions. And congratulations, my brother. He won't say nothing on the camera, but I will say congratulations because he's just been monetized, and that's a good thing. So up and coming artists, make sure you go check that out. And all my Cook and Vibers, go make sure you go check out the music, because there's a lot of upcoming talent on there, man. And he's got some big artists on there as well. So that is pretty much done, people. Yeah. Now what we're gonna do, cause we're Cook and Vibe, yeah. I'm gonna add some red food coloring, yeah? I wanna make it red. I'll cook and buy it, you know? That should be enough. These food colorings usually quite strong anyway. Mix it in. Why? It's starting to turn now. Yeah, man, it's a bare simple recipe, you know. I just thought I'd do something fun this week. Next week we've got something really cool for you. And yes, imagine it looks fun. It looks like it's nearly done. So we are gonna finish off. So by the way, before you start all this, I always mess up, but somehow, that's the great thing about Cook and Vibe, you know, it's so all over the place, it's just so natural. You should preheat your oven to 180 degrees before you do all of this, yeah? So preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Now, this is, I'll just spill that on the side. Watch out for these food colorings on your desktop and stuff, because this stuff does stain badly. Stains your fingers and everything. I think that's good to go, isn't it? Yeah. So next thing we're gonna do, so we're just gonna get our baking tray. I'm just gonna mixture out to the tray. Yeah. I'm gonna flatten that out. Try not to try and make it all the same height, and you know, otherwise the little smaller bits at the side they're gonna get burnt. So try and keep it all the same. This is called Cook and Vibe cereal, yeah. Now what we're gonna do this is we're gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay. After 15 minutes, we're gonna take it out. Turn it over, and we're going to put it back in for another 10 minutes. Yeah! Can't catch me out, but I'm going to try and catch me out really quickly. But that's how it's going to look once you've taken it out of the oven. You're going to put it on a plate somewhere and leave it to cool half an hour at least. Yeah? Now once it's maybe I'm a humble person. This t-shirt might look a bit big for me. Why so cereal gave me this t-shirt. So I wear it. I'm at it and stay humble. Give thanks for everything in life. I'm just gonna chill out for half an hour. Let this cool down, and I actually done a couple of other colours before. So once we're finished, we should hopefully have some Jamaican cereal. Cook and Vibe Jamaican cereal. Wow! Look at that! Jamaican cereal. There you have it. For the Jamaicans, then we know it's African colours, you know? Rasta colours. Red, gold and green. You don't know the African colours here, but you know, so we're calling it Jamaican cereal. And there we are. There we have it. So what I'm going to do is get myself some spoon. Yeah, gonna some red in there, some green in there. The yellow, I did a little bit overcook that one. Jamaican cereal. Just like honey nut clusters. That's what it is. Word, it's honey nut clusters. I can't give you anything more closer to the taste than that. It's honey nut clusters, bruv. It's Jamaican, cook and vibe, honey nut clusters. Word. Don't need no sugar. And a little bit of cinnamon in there. Mmm. You can taste it. That's really good. Aye! Kids upstairs making noise. It's Halloween, innit? They're upstairs with popcorn and sweets and all types of things. But listen, girls, we have got Jamaican cereal. You ain't got that upstairs for your Halloween party, have ya? I hope you enjoyed it, man. Something different for the people then. I'm gonna finish my little Jamaican cereal and yeah, man, we'll see you next week, people, man. Have a good one, have a blessed Sunday. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.